Hello, welcome to Ayur Experience. Today, I will tell you a great home remedy for sciatica, slip disc pain. If you suffering from sciatica, then you are in right place. I always upload some great remedy for sciatica nerve pain. Let's get started. 1. Take 125-gram organic garlic. 2. Cow milk 1 liter. 3. Unsalted clarified butter 0.150 gram. 4. Sugar candy to taste. Preparation: simmer on a medium heat 125-gram peeled cloves of organic garlic in 1 liter cow milk until become a thick paste of garlic and milk. Now add 150-gram unsalted clarified butter and fry for 10 minutes on medium heat. Now add sugar candy powder to taste. Again fry for 10 minutes on medium heat. Take 1 teaspoon once on an empty stomach in morning and 1 teaspoon before sleep daily. This is a highly beneficial and trial prescription for sciatica and slip disc pain. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe, like, comments and share. Have a good day. Take care.